Rotary's R3AC80, powered by Texa, is the only AC machine your shop will need. The R3AC80 is a dual gas recovery, recycle, and recharge cart for both R134A and R1234YF refrigerant gas, making your shop ready for 100% of today's vehicles with just one machine. Its game-changing design makes switching gases fast and easy, thanks to separate quick connect hoses for each type of gas. An automatic 3-minute purge that requires no tank swap when switching gases. And gas identifiers with purity check helps protect your investment. And it's digital world ready, featuring an industrial touchscreen that works with leather or multiple industrial nitrile gloves. Intuitive interface, software, and sensors work seamlessly for the fastest automatic operational experience. Wi-Fi capability enables connection to smartphones and printers, allowing reports to be emailed, printed, sent to back-office systems, and uploaded to the cloud for searchable vehicle data. Plus, the onboard TeamViewer program can provide technicians with remote support, training, and diagnostic services. If you're looking for the AC machine that not only does it all, but does it faster, look no further than Rotary's R3AC80.